Hi everybody, welcome back to today's episode of Drunken Sailor. And it's winter time, but you know what? We're thinking we need something full and hearty. And what is heartier than a breakfast? And who's got the heartiest breakfast? Cowboys. So today what we're going to do is make a drink called the Cowboy Breakfast. So to start, we're going to get our plank. And we got a piece of cinnamon. This is the part my wife gets really nervous about, me and fire. We're going to put that and flame this cinnamon stick. Because every good cowboy needs a campfire. And next, we're going to start pouring the cocktail. First off into the cocktail is going to go 1 whole egg. Remember, fresh is best. Rita, thank you. Next, we are going to use 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. This is fresh, pulled right from the trees in the yard, organic. What's better than fresh and organic? 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Next, we are going to use 1/2 ounce of heavy cream. I'd like to tell you that I milked the cow this morning, but got no cows. Next, we're going to use 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, and that is equal parts of white sugar and water boiled together. Got a good base going on here, but what does every good cowboy need for breakfast? Coffee. So we are going to use grind. We are going to put 1 ounce of grind in here. And that's a good coffee flavored liqueur. Got to run back to it. That goes in there. And last but not least, what does every good cowboy need? Bourbon. Today we're going to use High West. Love that popping sound. And we're going to use 1.5 ounces. Happy trails to me till we meet again. Uh-oh. We're at the end of that trail. Best be hitting the trading post to give me a new bottle. That's going in there. Okay, now, next on there, we are going to take and give it a dry shake. The dry shake is basically going to break down that egg. It's going to emulsify it. It's going to put everything nice and smooth and easy and a little bit of foam to it. Now, you got to be careful with the dry shake. They're usually pretty messy. But we're going to get off easy. There we go. You just got to hit it in the sweet spot. So that goes in there. And next what we're going to do is add some ice. Now we're going to chill it down. You're going to give it a good quick shake. I smell the coffee. I smell the cream. We got that glass still smoking. We're going to pop this in there one more time. Now, we're going to take that smoky glass and we are going to fill it with our breakfast. You got coffee, you got egg, and we just need to top it off. Couldn't get to the pigs this morning because there's 2 ways you can garnish this. One of them is a cinnamon stick. That's what we're using here. The other one, if you've got some nice crispy bacon, you can grate. But that fresh cinnamon, you can smell it. And that is the Cowboy Breakfast. Smells good. Oh, that's a good hearty breakfast. Give this one a try, folks. If you like it, subscribe. If you don't like it, subscribe. We're on YouTube under Drunken Sailor, and you can also find us on TikTok at KM Spinell. Drink responsibly and enjoy.